Well, my people, in case you're meeting me for the first time, I go by the name of Sibano, so the comedy son of comedy, Israel talkative, online, Zadi, and we're here on Entertainment Crib, and I'm with
Magalicious baby #1.
Yeah, wow. So, ladies and gentlemen, the matter will carry come and about one of the biggest boy in town. We say now, a big boy don't do for NDLEA office. We say he needs to explain something. Is a Lagos billionaire drug baron, Ugochukwu Chukwukadibia. They arrest him for VGC. He's a big boy in VGC. We say they meet a drug worth 8 point. Jesus. To cause me this money I won't cause them. People where they watch, some of them will get apart. Jesus. 8.8 billion. 8.8 billion. No call the 60. That 60 is very useless. No call up. 8.8 billion. My papa, till grow. Me, he born me. All the money where they don't spend for my head, you never use 60,000 naira.
Probably so.
So 8 points for this country, and this country is owing. Which day will they celebrate independent? October 1st. Say Nigeria, we are not independent. We are depending. We are depending on China. Now much the whole China. And person carry money what 8.8 billion for house inside house. We they never calculate one with the bank.
The one with the drugs and
with the drugs. You know, that's why I'm telling you, I don't know what's wrong with young guys of nowadays when we say we can't do without drugs. Why are we guys doing this? We have a lot of drugs. We say some, I know they mention name, may not be like say are they part of them. I don't know why some guys they use huge money just for drugs in a day. I don't understand. And now this one they part of people we say, and it's a big boy. Some people go they stay for his. That's why I say this to parents, that don't tell your child that see so person, you don't buy car, you don't buy motor, you don't buy house for your parents. We don't know what this person is doing. And we that we are online, you are seeing a lifestyle, online lifestyle, or it's not making sense. Most of us with the borrow clothes, now packaging, we just a guide. Everywhere no good at all. So stop. This one now, people go down the praise God. I want to be like Chukwuemeka. I want to be like Chukwuemeka, and it's not making sense.
That is destroying people's life.
Destroying their life.
But he's making his money. But you see the funniest thing, maybe if you deep down inside this thing, this man when they sell this thing, you know they take him.
No, sure, if you find out,
the
just check.
Not take himself.
None of the family
fees
are
he just say they make him money. See the kind of money we they for person house. And see the kind of drug where they say they discovered there.
13,000. 451.
660 pies of Tramadol. That each one contains 225 mg. That is milligram. So just imagine waiting people they consume inside body. Waiting person just they say now the business where I want to now in be this.
Drug.
And the funniest thing is this man not be the first person when NDLEA will then catch concerning this. As in they catch them, we need to hear the end of it.
Just imagine.
At the end they will collect bribe. Then go free this man. The drug will continue to destroy young people. If you as NDLEA, your pikin they take this drug, you know see the pikin life don't change.
It won't change you.
The future of that child is even
that's the way they take drug. You go know for their face. You go know for their face. Drug.
I beg, even when they do now work, at least no na first use one as a scapegoat.
Happy?
If they first use only this man as a scapegoat, all that go they scared to they stock this thing for house, to they bring them or to they make it a business. I don't see yet they fetch them money, but must you make money that destroy people's life? Money where you know say this child life they don't spoil.
Don't spoil.
Like all those ones where we say maybe they might get one business where they do, or maybe they get what they do. They don't see their friends. Before you know, they go on do what their friend they do. They take the drugs. And before you know now, the bad thing with their friend they do, then go one they do them. Mostly like parents, just like Bami so talk. You go they force your pikin say your mates don't do this one don't do this. Waiting you see they do. God get time when they bless people. just encourage this child. No, they push this pikin say go do wetin your mates they do. Encourage am, let am know how e be. Speak senses to this child. The child go wake up one day. No be to push and go outside, make you go begin to live life when no good. It's
not good. It's totally wrong. For my area, one man come meet me say, Abano, so you are grown, you are a grown up man, you should have married by this time. I say, so your mates don't marry. I say, my mates don't die. Ma die too. Ma no,
Yes,
I don't need that. But mates they die, now ma die too. Say no. So ladies and gentlemen, we're gonna give you 12 tell me for no cost code. We're gonna give you feedback very soon. Just share, like and subscribe to our YouTube channel, ladies and gentlemen. Stay tuned, we're still here on Entertainment Crew. Peace out.